Hello and welcome to my Easy Cooking Kitchen, or ECK for short. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel so you won't miss out any new videos coming up. This month I'll show you how to make some homemade super easy hummus bread. So let's go. Here's what you'll need. Aquafaba is the liquids of the strained chickpeas. Start by straining the chickpeas. You can save the aquafaba for later or just use cold water instead. You'll find out later on why. In a food processor, combine the raw tahini and lemon juice and process for 1 minute. Scrape the sides and the bottom and process for another 30 seconds. Doing so whips the tahini, thus making the hummus creamier and smoother. Now add the garlic, cumin, salt and olive oil to the mix and process for 30 seconds. Again, scrape the sides and bottom and process for another 30 seconds. Now add half of the chickpeas and process for 1 minute. Scrape again, add 1 tablespoon of the aquafaba or water, the remaining chickpeas and process for another 1 to 2 minutes. Check it halfway, and if it's too thick, add 1 or 2 tablespoons of aquafaba to reach perfect consistency. I added a total of 3 tablespoons. This is a simple way to plate hummus. Take 2 to 4 tablespoons, place the spoon in the middle and press it down a bit while rotating the plate. Drizzle some olive oil and add seasoning. I simply used smoked paprika, but the options are limitless. If you want it creamier, you can always peel the chickpeas before processing. I personally skip it. So let me know in the comments below if you took the time to peel them or not, and of course how it turned out for you. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, give it a big thumbs up, subscribe, don't forget that bell for notifications, and share it with your friends. You can follow this channel on Instagram, but most importantly, bon appetit.